In the next video, we will discuss different products for managing incontinence.
What if he or she leaks urine and their underwear are wet and maybe stool? So how can you contain this wetness? Well, there's lots of products out there. There are disposable products, there's reusable, washable garments, but there's so much out there that you don't know really which product to use. Just a few things to keep in mind. Make sure that you do your research and look on the internet, talk to a provider about what types of pads or items that you can be using. Ask for samples from the companies. They generally send you one or two items so you can try it. And make sure that it doesn't irritate the skin. It's too big, too small, what have you. And expect that there's changes that you may incur and see that he or she might have throughout the week or day or month or as their bladder changes. So here is a disposable product, and this is a thin, might call it a liner, and you take off the little strip right here and you place this part on the under part of the underwear that's going to touch the bottom, and that stays on. It's pretty incognito, so if you felt like you wanted to put this on, maybe a little underwear or what have you, when your loved one does not know about it, that's easy to place, but it's for a few drops. You can go into products that are a little heavier. They have different types of elastic, similar product of the tape coming off, and this can hold a lot more. It can also, the larger in the back, can hold stool as well. Now, men, there are products now for men, and these are designed for the same process, but a scrotum and the penis can go in here, and it can be placed in an upright position to collect about 2 or 3 ounces of urine if needed. Well, then if there's a little more urine, there are different types now that this will hold a lot more urine, and these are your briefs. So you can place these, of course, 2 legs here. You can also tear this if you need to take it off very quickly. And this is sort of like an underwear, and it just depends. You want to test all these different products with the person that you're caring for, because they might not like it. They may think that looks like a diaper, and that's the word you don't want to use, a diaper. You might, if you can use brief or pad or undergarment or even underwear, whatever works, kind of work that together. There are also washable garments. So this is an underwear that has a pad already in it. And so then you don't have to worry about putting the pad on or not. It's just a regular pair of underwear. There's also furniture pads and bed pads, and they're very well designed. You might use them already for a cat or a dog. And so those can be placed throughout the house on various sofas or chairs or the bed.